right, can you believe it? Memorial Day is this weekend, and that means a lot of folks are going to be outdoors grilling.
Oh, it smells so good out here with popular food blogger and author Cheri Renee up grilling some delicious dishes from your brand new cookbook. I love my Blackstone Griddle cookbook. So of all the things in the world, why the Blackstone Griddle to write a whole cookbook, and what's in it?
The Blackstone Griddle is so versatile. There's a large cooking space where you can cook multiple components of a meal. You can feed a lot of people at once, but the best part is easy cleanup.
Oh, yeah. And then you've got your cookbook too.
I do. There's 175 recipes in the cookbook, including a whole dessert chapter and a vegetarian chapter.
Amazing. All right, let's get to the food.
Yeah.
All right, tell us what you're starting with. This is a burrata.
This is an appetizer recipe in the book. It is a tomato and burrata crostini.
Okay.
The tomatoes get nice and sweetly charred on the griddle, very easy to make, and I'm just a sucker for burrata cheese.
Yes. Amazing. And then, a lot of people don't think to do like a broccolini on the grill.
Absolutely. We have broccolini. This is a teriyaki broccolini, and in the book I do have some suggestions for a main course that you can prepare with the broccolini.
And we have skirt steak with corn relish. Now, I hear you flew in from Indiana.
I did.
So we got to get some corn in here.
Exactly. And I'm going to show you how to make the corn relish that goes on the skirt steak. And this is another wonderful part of the griddle. We're going to hear this beautiful sizzle.
Ooh.
I know, it's like
nice.
music to your ears. So we just have some fresh corn on the cob. We have some red onion. We have some garlic, so you know it's going to be smelling very good in here. Some jalapeno and cilantro.
This looks amazing,
And then this is
Cheri.
another fun part of the griddle. You have these spatulas, you move everything around. It's stress-free, it does not smoke up your kitchen. You get a little corn popping going on. I'm also just going to put some taco seasoning, kosher salt, and a little lime juice for some freshness. And it goes really nicely on that skirt steak that we also cooked on the griddle.
Did you come up with this recipe?
I did. I dream in food. I'm obsessed with food.
Oh, that's amazing.
I think I just really love to eat, and I'm like, well, I might as well have learned how to cook.
Perfect. And your mom is here? Did she
My
help you
mom is
learn to
here.
cook?
My mom is an amazing cook, and so is my dad. Yeah, I always grew up around amazing food.
So now this will be at the base of the steak.
Exactly.
Right? Okay.
Exactly. It brings a little personality to the steak.
All right. Well, you definitely showed us that it's easy to do.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's move on to the kebab.
Absolutely. We have some Italian chicken kebabs. Memorial Day weekend. We are kicking off grilling season. Colorful, fresh, beautiful kebabs that don't cause a flare-up on your Blackstone griddle.
What is the secret to a good kebab?
I love making kebabs because I love to make them pretty. I'm kind of crazy. And making sure that everything is cut to size and choosing things that cook at the same time on the Blackstone.
All right, you heard it from the cookbook author.
And you said you even have a whole section on dessert.
I do. We have bourbon, peaches, and pound cake.
Woo!
How fun is that? Yes, a nice fresh dessert for
That's
you.
a little southern touch.
Absolutely, yes. I mean, you add a little bourbon and it just brings a party, right?
That little crust on the pound cake is so delicious.
Oh, yes.
How do you do that?
Butter on the griddle. Butter just makes everything better, and yes, it toasts up beautifully and evenly on the Blackstone.
Oh, so you just put the butter on here and the little peaches and just like a minute or something?
Just a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, apples take a little longer than peaches because I've also done this with apples for a nice fall dessert. But yes, then the pound cake just crisps up and gets a little soft and toasty.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Where's your cookbook available?
You can get it on Amazon or on ifyougivagirlagrill.com.
By the way, the cutest name. That's what her apron says. If you give a girl a grill.
So sweet.
Thank you, Cheri.
Thank you
You're
so much
awesome.
for having
And thanks,
me.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom's got the phone out.
Yes.
Doesn't matter what you're doing in life.
Gotta bring your
Mom's
mom.
gonna have the phone out. Again, you can find Cheri's new cookbook, I Love My Blackstone Griddle Cookbook, available now on our website. And ifyougivagirlagrill.com is where you can find it. Follow her on social media. Thanks,
We'll
Cheri.
see you next.
Thank
at
you.
12. Okay, cool.
Wow, this is
I'm going to have some more of the
fantastic.
faux